Hey guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix 0x8007003B error code that says something went wrong on Microsoft Store. So if you're currently getting this error, let me show you how you can easily go ahead and fix this. Now, the first method I'm going to share with you is how to easily reset Microsoft Store cache, right? So right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar here and simple type in and simple click on run, and within the run section, just simple type in wsreset.exe and simple hit run. Once this pops up, guys, you will see that it shows a black screen. Then it's going to basically reopen Microsoft Store for you. See if that solves your problem, right? If that does not fix it, let me show you another method that you can try. So the second method you can try is to repair or reset Microsoft Store. So right click on the Windows icon in your taskbar and click on settings. Now on the left hand side, simply click on System and scroll down to where you'll find System Components and go ahead and open that. Now you want to look for the Microsoft Store in this list here. Click the three dots towards the right hand side and open Advanced Options. Now you want to scroll down and look for the Reset section, and you first want to do Repair, and check to see if that fixed the problem. If this does not work, you want to do a reset, and click on Reset again. And if you're having this issue with the Xbox app, you want to do the same exact steps here by clicking the Repair Reset as well. So to do that, click on Apps on the left hand side, then click on Install Apps. And in the search apps, just simple type in Xbox, and you want to click the three dots towards the right hand side, go to the Advanced Options, and again you scroll down to the Reset section and do the Repair and Reset. And that should fix your issue. I want to recommend as well that try to restart your PC and then try to test again. Wish you all the best, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.